God, I am not one of your strongest soldiers. Casually, I'm at the alcohol section because maybe alcohol can fix me right now, but I don't know. Is it actually good or am I just hungry? So guys, I missed my flight and that's why I'm speaking so low, and I have to basically wait at the airport for I don't know how long actually. No, actually I know, but I am okay now after crying for like 2 to 3 hours, but now I'm okay. I don't know. I would think about what it's trying to teach me, I guess, because there's no use of crying more. So I'm at the nap zone and this is my view right now. Not bad actually, because I can see like the flights going and all that. It's kind of pretty. I learned that I can get like free food with a coupon because I missed a flight. So I didn't know this. I was about to spend money, but I dropped my bag. Okay, I was about to spend money, but now I will not because I would like to make the most of the situation. So I don't know. First of all, I don't know where any food thing is. So I will look. I'm confused because I want to, like I said, make the most of the situation. So I'm looking for a big meal which will last me forever, basically. Guys, I think I might try like Popeyes because I've never tried Popeyes. But now I have to locate Popeyes. Why do I say Popeyes? Popeyes. The thing is, I tried checking in the lounge, but they were like, I can only come 3 hours before my flight, and that doesn't make sense because I needed the lounge for the night, not for the day. You know, at day I can survive. Night, I don't know. But yes. So this coupon actually has missed connection written on it. So it's like, if you miss a flight, you get free food, which is actually the least they can do. And I was thinking to myself, why is this airport like so huge, and why are they keeping layovers for only like 1 hour? Like, you can't possibly. Guys, I'm kind of lost because I don't know how to get up there. Because I am just like getting on random escalators at this point, hoping to find place. But you know, an airport is like not that good when they have a section, a counter especially reserved for like if you miss your flights or if your flights are delayed, we offer food coupons. Like, that is gonna do anything for me. Like, how are you gonna, you know, get my day back? Popeyes located. I've also never tried Carl's Jr. Can I use this coupon twice, please? But I think I will do Popeyes. So this is my delayed menu meal. Like, this can make up for the time lost. But okay. I think they should have compensated with like sushi or something. But it's fine, you know. I'll let them go this time. But next time there will be a case. Like, God, I am not one of your strongest soldiers. So like, this vlog is like me ranting all the time about my missed flight. But I still think that to compensate for the missed flight, they should have like given me access to the lounge buffet. That would have made a whole lot of sense. But now It's like, I don't know, I get so annoyed, and when I get annoyed, I talk crap. I talk anything. Like, I don't even make sense right now. Like, when this happened to me, I was like, I'll get so rich one day that I don't even have to like fly through these boring flights. I'll have my own private jet, you know. And I'm like, I'll do this like this is how I keep myself entertained, basically. After like once I was like done crying, then I was like, now what should I do? Then I started having these thoughts. This is like, and also I don't like eating alone. It's so sad. That's why I'm glad I have my phone with me. Guys, I'm gonna be trying Popeye for the first time. For now, I'm just eating fries, which are honestly mid. And also, there was like a menu, and that menu was like delay menu. So it was, I thought that I could pick like anything from the thing, and I was like, I'll get the XL one. Like there was like a lot of things on the actual menu, and I might as well like take something big from them, like something like a lot of food. But there were like 5 meals only, and this menu was called the delay menu. I will be trying the burger right now. Also, I think that people are like looking at me kind of weirdly, but it is okay. I mean, at this point, I don't care about anyone except my good well-being. Okay, the chicken is chickening, and is it actually good, or am I just hungry? But like guys, I actually got so sad, like I cried and everything, because like I was so excited to go to India. Can I call myself an European citizen now? Because what happened is, after I finished eating my food, I was looking for like the dustbins where you like separate the trash and everything, and I couldn't find it. And I was like, and then I started looking around at other people, like what they are doing, and they just left the food, like the wrappers and everything there. And I was like, okay, so maybe this is what I have to do too, because I saw the tables as well, and there was just like wrappers and stuff like that. So I just left it there. But it was very weird. Like I looked for the dustbins for like 5 minutes properly, but I couldn't find it. So I'm on a mini side quest. I don't even know what I'm doing. Like, okay, I just casually am at the alcohol section, because maybe alcohol can fix me right now, but I don't know. There's baklava. The vodka is definitely tempting. Also, there's like cute bottles. Look how cute. I cannot show you guys like properly because my hand is occupied, but also like a Coca-Cola mixed with whiskey. Also, why was the perfume so cheap? Tempting. Should I get a souvenir from here? Because this is like kind of like the most memorable trip. Maybe I should get this, because I don't know who put an evil eye on me, but somebody did, and that's why, like my flight, I missed the flight. These are so cute. I'll show you. Oh my god, I found something, and I need like 100 of these right now. Maybe it's a sign from God that I should get this, because I saw it like twice already, but I'm not gonna get it. But maybe it's a sign. Yes, this is just €2. I think I'm gonna get this for fun.